Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elementor in WordPress. Now, first things first, we've logged into our WordPress website and we're on the dashboard. Now, we're going to navigate over here on the left-hand side to plugins. We'll go ahead and go to Add New. From here, we can go ahead and search on the top right-hand corner here. We'll go ahead and search Elementor and hit Enter. From here, we can go ahead and install the Elementor plugin. We'll just go ahead and click Install Now. You can see it's currently installing the plugin. Now that it's installed, we can go ahead and click Activate. Now we can scroll down through the list of activated plugins that we have on our website, and we can see that Elementor is a light blue, meaning it is activated. Now, if we need to go ahead and install Elementor Pro as well, we can go ahead and bring up the Elementor.com website, and we can go ahead and log into our account. From here, we'll go ahead and click on the download button at the top right-hand corner next to our name, and this will download a zip folder. Now, once we have that Elementor Pro zip folder, what we'll do is scroll back up to the top of our plugin list, click Add New, go ahead and click Upload Plugin at the top left, and we'll go ahead and select the zip folder that we've downloaded. From there, the Elementor Pro plugin will be listed under the list of installed plugins right below the Elementor plugin. We can also go ahead and log into our Elementor Pro account and begin using Elementor Pro. Now, to create our first page with Elementor, we'll head over to Pages, hover over Pages and click Add New. We'll go ahead and click Edit with Elementor at the very top, and this will load up the Elementor editor where we can begin editing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe and have a nice day.